model, 60-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 2.0 SDIPD MOT'D body, white, panel van mileage, 185876 MOT, 30 November 2023 engine, 1968 cc 1.9 SDI, 69 E4A transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash due to rear ABS sensor. Nice simple repair grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £2,675. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,